I think I'm doing a video. Today we're gonna hike with Hedwig, Heidi, Marlene, hi, and me. Stay tuned. Really, there's nothing to see. In 2 hours 32. We made it to the top of Scheffauer. Scheffauer. Yay! So what do you do when you climb to the top? First thing?
Change.
You change because you're sweaty, okay? Heidi already has changed.
Yes.
What do you do next?
Eat. I'm hungry.
Eat. I'm also hungry. Let's do it.
We eat something.
Let's do it. feeling today?
Really good. A bit exhausted, but really good.
How did you like the hike?
That's okay.
Was okay.
It was exhausting.
You're doing an interview, huh?
Yeah, otherwise I will not talk in any part of the video and then it's gonna be like, what is this? This is not really a vlog. How did you like the hike?
Cute little hike.
Cute little hike. That's Haiti. Hey guys, I just came home. In total it was 6 hours 24 minutes, 9.7 kilometers and meters up 1,100, but like the top was 2,111, so it means we started somewhere in the middle. Anyway, I think it was a super amazing hike. I'm so glad I did it, and really thanks a lot to Heidi, the friend who suggested this hike, and of course Marlene for the company. It was really amazing. I loved it. I hope you also loved it, and if you liked it, then hit that like button and subscribe. See you around. Bye.